My name is Adam Blank. I'm the president of Wallside Windows. Screens are such an important part of any window, and we're in the replacement window business. We're connected directly to the homeowner because it solved a number of problems for us. We provided a benefit for our homeowners to take the screens in and out easily when they clean it in the winter months up here in Michigan and Ohio. When it gets cold, they could take the screens out. It allows them to be hidden in the pocket so there's no issues with cracks or color issues. So ultimately, we were looking for the better product for our customer.
FlexScreen, when compared to the older screen style with the metal frame, stands out in its sturdiness. The way that it is welded to the actual frame is a huge selling point. The customer sees it and they think, hey, that's cool, that's different, that's neat.
The ability for FlexScreens to have more flexibility, to not necessarily be nicked or have some damage to it. It allows us to have a homeowner that at the end of the day, they get their screen with their windows when it's installed, and so it allows for a much more seamless process. Having that damage-resistant screen allows us to make sure that the homeowner is getting value for their window purchase, not only with the window, but of course with the screen that comes with it.